There's only one way you can wear a thong though.
There is only one way you can wear a thong. One sensible way anyway.
A slingshot.
Slingshot. A very unreasonable hat.
Can I take your hat and gloves, sir? No, thank you. It's a bit chilly in here, I'll keep it on, I think. I think dangling in his face.
So,
drunk today.
I know. Hi, I'm Tony.
I'm Joe.
And this is week 4 review for Roamin rookies. We have done Copacabana Fort. So today we have decided to come to Copacabana Fort. It was 6 Rio to get in.
Yeah.
And it's right at the end of Copacabana where Copa meets Ipanema. How have you enjoyed it?
I think it's great. There's a few things you could do here. There's 2 restaurants, one of which is a highly rated and respected kind of delicatessen.
Called Colombo.
We stopped off for a bite to eat.
Yeah, it was nice to sit with a view because we were able to sit along the edge of the fort.
You get the whole view of Copacabana.
Yeah, it's great.
Very nice on a day like today.
Yeah, there's got like an inside museum bit, and they've got upstairs like an upper level which you can go on, and it's like the top of the fort and you get a view of both sides of the beach and the sea. Yeah.
So all in all, it's a good afternoon's trip out.
We've been here quite a few hours as well, so
yeah, it's just nice to kind of sit here and watch
Yeah.
the water go by without like being on the beach. I mean, you can get a similar sort of view, but it's something a little bit different. It's got a bit of history of Rio and Copacabana. I think it's a functioning military base at the moment as well,
Yeah,
so that's
seems to
interesting
be.
to see military personnel running around.
Yeah.
And yeah, it is calm because you haven't got, because you obviously have to pay to get in, there's no one bothering you every 5 minutes trying to sell you stuff. So you do get the benefits of the view, etc. from the beach, because you've got the hustle and bustle of it as well.
a good day out for
And a nice
relatively
sunny
cheap.
day.
Yeah, it was nice.
That was nice.
Don't think I'd go back now. I've done it once.
I suppose if you're big like military or army
I was
buff,
thinking,
it's a big
yeah.
thing.
Mhm.
Otherwise, it's just a nice spot for lunch with some nice views, and you can walk around the fort, and it's pretty nice.
We have also done this week the paddle boats at the Rodrigo de Freitas Lagoon. Hope I said it right.
On weekends, they have paddle boats on the lake, which I said we had no clue about, but sounded right up our alley.
Yeah. Hey, Roamin rookies on a boat. Not just any boat. It's a paddle boat. Not just any paddle boat. What boat is it, Joe? Swan. So it's 30 real for 2. So 15 each.
On the lagoon.
It's on the lagoon. The 15 each is for half an hour. Not bad for half an hour. But you will be tired after half an hour.
Speak for yourself.
We've got some nice views. There's Christ. So,
Yes.
yeah, we're gonna have a paddle. We're gonna have some fun. We remembered the water.
Keep hydrated, kids.
Yes. It's very hot today, it's 28. So yeah, let's have a paddle, let's have some fun.
Because it is a really fun activity, you wish it could last longer.
Yeah, I'd like it to be an hour.
The half an hour just felt a little bit too short for me.
I really enjoyed it, and it was nice to just float along as well.
Big float, yeah.
One thing I would say is make sure you keep an eye on the time, because if you are late back, you do get charged. We have also done the Lapa and downtown walking tour, which included the Selaron Steps, which was with freewalkatours.com. So it's a pay-as-you-feel kind of walking tour, which we tend to gravitate towards, don't we? Because you pay what you feel it was worth.
Just because they're technically for free doesn't mean they're bad. It's usually
No.
quite informative and usually tell you more kind of cool things that maybe more of a professional tour wouldn't know, because they're not run by locals. But the 2 that we did, I give them like a 3 out of that.
Yeah, at the time that we were researching, they were the highest free walking tour on TripAdvisor.
If you're going to walk tours, just want to keep it on a budget.
Yeah,
Go
exactly.
for them, because the long, they are informative. They take you to all the hot spots, they take you to all the highlights.
We started in Carioca, and it works its way through and you end up in Sinalandia, and you see when the Portuguese royal family come over, you see the palace that they lived in. In Cinelandia they show you the theatres. You start off with the convent as well.
Yeah,
So
you go into it.
to be in South America and to see something that looks quintessentially Portuguese, it's a unique experience. So in terms of that, the walking tour was great. I enjoyed seeing those parts of it. And then ending up the Selaron Steps, the artist was sent tiles from all different parts of the world, and then there's just one tile of Princess Diana, which was like, oh look. So yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it.
You can just appreciate it without being a big art snob. So you can just appreciate that it took so long to do. It's bright and colourful, so even if you go like with your kids, they're probably going to find it quite interesting, because you're never going to see a stairway like that again. It's just really cool. I mean, it's like well famous. It's probably one of the most famous things Rio has. Arguably, I mean, when you come to Rio, it's the beaches, it's Christ the Redeemer, it's Two Brothers, it's all that. Sugarloaf, which is all kind of compacted in one sort of area. Yeah. This is certainly, I think, the centrepiece of downtown. Busy though, which you can always expect.
Insanely busy.
Yeah, you can always expect with these tourist hotspots, so you can't really complain because you are a tourist there as well, so you will no doubt get in someone's way. I do like a good old-fashioned British queuing system, and trying to get pictures in front of like the sign which says these are the steps and stuff. It's just a free-for-all, so probably going to be there a while if you want some decent pictures.
When we were at the beach,
for the second time now in the space of a month, I've been sitting down for a while, just looking at the beach on the view, enjoying myself. Get up, within 5 seconds of getting up, some weird, disgusting, toxic-looking, abnormal,
it's kind of
unnatural,
greeny yellow. If it happens again, which hopefully it won't, but we'll take a picture. You said it smelled like mustard.
It smelled like mustard this time. So get up, it's on my shoe again, which happened in my first week. And just like last time, you don't see them any other day, but the one moment you have something on your shoe, a shoe shine person comes out now. It's like, well, isn't this the greatest? Isn't this a fantastic coincidence? Aren't I so lucky? The first time he was on his knees about to do it. This time, like, he was nowhere near us. He just walked away.
He did make him get like 6 feet.
It's just so frustrating because it is a con.
Yeah.
And I've never experienced that before. Like, I know people are trying to make a living, trying to get money, and I've been to a lot of big cities with like a lot of poverty. But everyone who seems to be getting money out of it is at least trying to offer something. This is a complete and utter con from start to finish. If you get some weird ass substance on your shoe, even if it is legitimately bad, do not accept the shoe cleaner that comes up to you within 5 seconds, because him or a friend will have put it there on you.
My top tip in relation to that: always carry a little pack of wet wipes on you, or a packet of tissues just in your bag. It doesn't take up much space at all.
See something pterodactyl poo or something right up there. That was the ending of our 4th week, so pretty much a month here now, and yet it was still jam-packed. There's still a lot to do, still a lot to see. I really just emphasise the fact that Rio is a place, there is a lot to do that you can either cram into a really hustly-bustly, week, 2-week holiday, or you can really have a good leisurely prolonged period here. So I'm really happy that I think we're over a month in now, we're still exploring new things, finding new things. So yeah, so if you're thinking where would be a cool place to hang out for a while, I'd certainly say Rio de Janeiro. It's a lot here.
We've had our first sandwich with pineapple in.
Yeah.
I had pork and pineapple. Joe had
roast beef.
Yeah.
Oof. I'm always against pineapple on pizza, but fruit on sandwich is actually quite good. The Brazilians know what they're doing there.
Cervantes.
So we've been to 3 Brazilian sandwich shops now. They've been, even though this is a basic sandwich, they've been 3 of our favourite meals.
Yeah.
It's really quaint, it's really authentic, really, really cheap in comparison to the big kind of branded, gimmicky restaurants. But that, for me, is the best Brazilian experience, is going to these little sandwich shops and tasting some really good stuff.
Eating like a local.
My beef was incredible. It was so pink, it was just so packed full of flavour, and the pineapple complemented it really well. And the pimenta, the hot sauce, chili sauce. So you got the savoury of the beef, the crunch of the bread, the sweetness of the pineapple, and then the spice of the chili oil. Probably one of the best sandwiches I've ever had. There's 3 awesome components.
Yeah. Yeah, they were very good, highly recommended, and if you're on a budget, even better. And another first for this week is that I finally got a sarong. Yeah! Top tip for the week: shop around. The price, as we've mentioned before, varies so vastly. We were just walking past along the beach, and I asked one of the sellers how much, and he said it was 80 real. which
20
is
quid.
just extortionate.
Extortionate.
It's a perfect souvenir. So we decided to just have a wander down the kind of main high street, which is just back from Ipanema and Copacabana, and not too far from our accommodation. And we found a shop. He was offering us a deal of, I think it was 38.
38 in cash.
Yeah.
Which is a big reduction from 80.
Massive difference. But because they didn't really have any colours or any designs that I was into, luckily the hippie fair was on.
It was lucky we were looking on a Sunday.
So that's on a Sunday. So we went there, had a little browsy round, found one which I hadn't seen anywhere else, and it was 25 Rio, which just shows if you go to the hippie fair or, you know, a local market, the prices are going to be so much cheaper than the beachfront or, you know, the hotspot tourist areas. Look at it jiggle.
Like my belly. Hey, so we're in the Sunday market, and I've been trying to track down this weird ring cake that they have here in Brazil. It doesn't look like a regular cake. It's like
Is it eggy?
It looks like that thing you get in Friends, the flange thing. It's caramelly on top. I don't know. It's like, I don't know, it's not like cheesecake. It's definitely not cake. It might be eggy, I don't know. I don't know if it's really good already.
You're just eating all the top, that's cheating.
Enjoy that food, kid.
I don't think I'll get it again. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs in the middle.
Thumbs in the middle. Couldn't live without this week for you.
This is something that's been there from day one. It's something we don't really have in the UK because we live in a cold country. It's air conditioning. When you've been out all day and it's been boiling sun, you enter a warm room and that kind of heat just hits you. Just click on the aircon, 2 minutes later being really nice and chill and cool. It's really good. People are thinking, well, that's not really interesting, etc. But for people who are from like South America and America, yeah, you have aircon, but people who are from like UK and different parts of Europe, and aircon is not a thing. Heating, central heating is a very big thing, but air conditioning isn't. So it's been a saviour here.
When you are searching on Airbnb, you can filter on requirements. So you can filter for an apartment with air conditioning. So check out the weather the time of year you're travelling to a particular destination and see if you think you're going to need aircon, and it's so easy to just filter out all the apartments that don't have it.
So that's my couldn't live without, not only for the week but our entirety of here in Rio.
My couldn't live without for the week is my waterproof watch, my Casio. It's waterproof, so I haven't taken it off since.
Been in the water?
I haven't taken it off since we've been here. I've had a shower with it on, I've been in the sea with it on, even though I do just paddle. It's got the day of the week, the date of the month and the time. And if you don't want to get your phone out constantly, but you have to be somewhere for a certain time, you have a reservation, you have tickets booked for somewhere, it's great to just look down and go, yeah, definitely my watch for the week. See you next week. Bye.
Bye. It's a wrong song. Let me see, that's so wrong.
I was thinking it's the really a wrong song.
There's a future for Cisco.
I think it's Colombo. Oh no, I don't know.
The detective with the bog eyes there, haven't you?
Colombo. It's a place. That's slapping me sideways, that one. Hey guys, thanks for making it to the end of our YouTube video.
If you liked what you saw, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.
You can also find us on Instagram with @RoaminRookies.
I'm at PickPickerRay.
And you can also find me with @TonyCritchley.
Thanks for watching.
Keep roaming.
In the mood for some movie talk? Check out our reviews of the latest and greatest the Silver Screen has to offer on our pop culture channel, Rookie Reivew. Check out the link in the description below.